Sometimes, membrane switch works well, then degumming happens. What's the reason? Something must be wrong with back adhesive. First, harsh working condition. Long time working and exposure to high temperature or high humidity may cause poor stickiness of back adhesive and degumming. Long-term exposure to sunlight will also accelerate the aging of the adhesive, thereby causing poor stickiness. Second, improper choosing of back adhesive. The stickiness of back adhesive is closely related to raw material, shape and work environment of membrane switch. If you choose the back adhesive that is not sticky enough or does not meet specific environmental condition, degumming is likely to occur. For example, if you choose ordinary back adhesive instead of waterproof one in humid place, such as near the kitchen sink, it will easily cause poor stickiness and degumming. Third, improper operation during assembly. When assembling membrane switch, things out of the standard, such as uneven bonding force and clean bonding surface, may also cause poor stickiness and degumming. JRPanel has rich experience in customization and production of membrane switches and graphic overlays. Welcome to contact us and place an order.